9 each, 8 each, 7 each, 6 each. These are some of the desired scores which our students have achieved in their first attempt. Yes, a lot of the students have achieved their desired bands in the very first attempt with the help of a customized plan. This tutorial is going to be on a customizable plan for all type of desired bands. If you're aiming for 8 each or even for 7 or even for 6, this plan is going to help you to plan your every single day for the next 14 days. And you will be able to crack your desired bands if you follow this customizable, proven plan. I'm going to showcase some of the tips and tricks as well in this plan, which will help you to plan your time as well. So stay tuned till the very end. There are a lot of students who are not even sure which tasks are important, which tasks are not important. So I'm going to lay down all the important tasks in this plan. I'll be starting off with every single day plan along with what mocks you need to do, where you need to practice, what resources you need to use in order to practice every single day. And I have a great news because in this tutorial, I'm going to give free mock test as well with scoring. Yes, so if you are interested in a free mock test, stay tuned till the very end of the video because I show you where you can get the mock test. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Vishale. I'm going to help you in 14 days plan. So let me quickly show you how every day is structured. But before that, if you're new to our channel, make sure that you don't forget to subscribe. Yes, because we will be posting up a lot of new updates, which is going to help you in your PTE journey. So let's get started. As you can see on your screen, day 1 and day 2 will focus basically on your speaking module followed by your writing module. But some sections from the listening module will also be included. So we're going to start with read alouds 15 along with repeat sentences, describe, image and retell lecture. Now, did you know that new templates have been launched for describe, image and retell lecture? If you are not aware of it, you can go and watch this tutorial. Over here, I've explained what are the changes and what are the new templates. When you're going to perform summarize written text and essay, you need to understand the content requirements. I've also shared how you can improve in the content in this tutorial. After you're focused on speaking and writing, now you need to start focusing on listening tasks. Only 4 tasks you need to start working on: summarize spoken text, listening fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictations. These are the only 4 tasks where you need to emphasize and you need to focus on a daily basis. That's it. Other tasks for listening you can completely avoid. You don't have to practice them. Let's work on day 3 now. Day 3 is going to look very similar in terms of your speaking tasks and your writing tasks. But we are going to introduce reading and writing fill in the blanks as well. For listening, we don't have to do highlighting correct words on a daily basis. So instead of highlighting correct words, you need to start working on reading and writing fill in the blanks. Now you need to make sure that you complete this plan within 4 to 4.5 hours because this will help you to manage your time as well. Day 4 will also have similar tasks for your speaking. Obviously, we are not doing writing summary on day 3 and day 4 because we have added on blanks for reading module. On day 4, instead of reading and writing fill in the blanks, we will be focusing on reading blanks. By day 4, you would have already practiced both type of reading blanks. This is very essential. Why? Because you need to get started with the reading from day 1. This is a common mistake which a lot of students make. What they do, they leave reading for the very end because they are obviously scared of this module. They do run away from this module. Our students, why they have got this course? Because we get them started with the reading from day 1. But a lot of students don't know the right techniques, right tricks. For reading module, guys, I have made this special tutorial where I have discussed all the do's and don'ts for your reading module, especially for the blanks. Follow them and this is going to help you to improve scores in reading blanks. Day 5 and day 6, we will be focusing on reorder paragraphs as well. So we will not be doing all the tasks for the speaking module. We will be focusing on repeat sentences from speaking module along with spoken text from listening module. Then our focus areas would be on reading and writing fill in the blanks, reading fill in the blanks and reorder paragraphs. Also, we will be doing listening fill in the blanks and write from dictations as well. Please make sure that you start working on your enhancement of skills, especially when it comes to dictations, repeat sentence and reading, because these are the 5 tasks where you need to improve on a daily basis. and you need to practice on a daily basis, because on the basis of these 5 tasks alone, you can easily get a very good score. On day 7, you don't have to do much, but on day 7, you are going to give a full mock test. Full mock test will ensure that you are following all the techniques. You are able to perform under the pressure of time as well. So make sure that you treat this like your exam, and after you have given the mock, you can see your analysis and feedback as well if you're using VLE portal. If you want a free mock test, just go to visionlanguageexperts.com.au. Over there, you just register if you are a first-time user. If you already have the credentials, you can see the dashboard like this. You just have to go to mock test tab over here, and you will find one free full mock test. After you complete that full mock test, you will be able to get the analysis, feedback as well. So take advantage of this platform for giving a free mock test. Now, as we have progressed to day 8, we will start working on a weekly predictions. Now, what are weekly predictions and how they can help you in scoring a desired band? So if you sign up to VLE portal, you can get the weekly prediction for free. As you can see on the screen, this is reading and writing fill in the blank. If you need to get access to the weekly predictions, you just click on this bar. Under the weekly prediction tab, you will find the questions which have a high chance of repetition. So make sure that you start working on weekly prediction from day 8 onwards for all the tasks. So on day 8, you will be doing one sectional mock test for speaking, but along with that, you will be working on repeat sentences followed by reading and writing fill in the blanks. Reading fill in the blanks, reorder paragraphs, write from dictations, and also summarize spoken text. But make sure that every single task you're doing, you will be doing from weekly predictions. Day 9 and day 10 are very similar, but let's talk about day 9 first. Day 9 will be having one sectional mock test for writing, so that you manage your time effectively, you learn time management skills. But after that, you will be again doing repeat sentences followed by reading and writing fill in the blanks. Then you will be working on reading blanks, reorder paragraphs, write from dictations. But on this day, we will also introduce describe, image and retell lecture again, so that you are not out of touch. Now, when it comes to day 10, we will be doing reading sectional mock. Over here, we'll be going through repeat sentences 20, reading and writing fill in the blanks 15, followed by reading blanks as well. Then reorder paragraphs and write from dictations will also stay on. And we will be also doing listening fill in the blanks and highlighting correct words 10 each, followed by describe, image and retell lecture 2 each. Day 11 will be completing sectional mock for listening module. Over here, we'll be only focusing on 5 important tasks: repeat sentences, reading and writing fill in the blanks, reading blanks, reorder paragraphs, and write from dictations. Day 12 is going to be very crucial. We'll be doing full mock test. After the mock test, make sure that you take the advantage of analysis from VLE portal. And you will be also working on 5 tasks such as repeat sentences, reading and writing fill in the blanks, reading blanks, reorder paragraphs, and dictations. Because guys, our plan is that you are ready to give the exam after day 14. So 12th day, 13th day and 14th day are going to be very crucial days. Make sure that you finish all the tasks given on the screen and follow this plan very ethically. Day 13 is going to be again focusing on 5 important tasks: repeat sentences, reading and writing fill in the blanks, reading blanks, reorder paragraphs, and write from dictations. Make sure that you finish all the number of tasks I have just mentioned on the screen. Day 14 is going to be a last day. Over here, we're going to do a couple of tasks. We will be focusing on repeat sentences to start with, followed by reading and writing fill in the blanks, and then reading blanks. And also we will be doing reorder paragraphs as well. Write from dictations, summarize spoken text and written text are also crucial, so we will be doing them as well, followed by listening fill in the blanks and highlighting correct words. Now, if you guys have time, then only we will do speaking mock test, which is very optional. But make sure that you finish the rest of the tasks on day 14th. Now, if you're only aiming for 6 bands, you can avoid and skip reorder paragraphs. But the other tasks you must perform. This is a very customizable plan, and this is a plan which our students have used to get their desired bands. So if you want, and if you're a PTE aspirant, want to get your desired bands, make sure that you follow this plan to the very core. And also please make sure that you keep on giving mock tests as I have suggested, because a lot of times students don't give enough mocks, and that's why they are not able to understand their performance. They're not able to understand where they are lacking. If you know that your friend or someone is going to appear for their PT exam, if they just have 2 weeks, pass this plan to them so they can also get their desired balance. And if you're finding difficulties in any of the areas of PT exam, don't feel hesitate to put it in the comment section. I try to reply to all the comments and I will be replying to your query as well. So leave a comment now. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in next tutorial. Vishal is signing off from VLE.